Welcome to American Meridian University's series on quality system management tools. Today we will review understanding a SIPOC, supply, input, process, output, customer. The goal. The goal of this lesson is for users to understand the SIPOC as a quality and business process improvement tool. Learning objective. At the end of this lesson, users should be able to articulate the usage of a SIPOC, supply, input, process, output, customer, explain how to develop a SIPOC, and demonstrate the development of a SIPOC. What is a SIPOC? Supply, input, process, output, customer. The SIPOC is a tool utilized to ascertain the pertinent elements of a business process improvement project before the actual work starts. The SIPOC helps to delineate key aspects of key projects that may not be fully scoped. Many times, the SIPOC is used in the measurement phase of the methodology Six Sigma DMAIC. Further, the SIPOC is represented at the outset of the Kaizen events, and the SIPOC is represented during the defined phase of the methodology Six Sigma DMAIC. What is the value of the SIPOC diagram? Through understanding the SIPOC, stakeholders and project team members who are unfamiliar with the process gain understanding through a high-level overview. The SIPOC updates stakeholders and project team members whose knowledge with a process has lessened or their knowledge has become outdated due to process change. The SIPOC supports the defining of a new process. More on the SIPOC diagram. Customers and suppliers can be either internal or external to the company that performs the process improvement. With the SIPOC, information, materials, or services can be either the inputs or the outputs. With the SIPOC diagram, documenting the inputs and outputs are the salient focus, not the individual steps of the process. Creation time to allot for the SIPOC diagram is important. From start to finish, allow 5 hours. Data collection, 1 to 3 hours. Diagramming the SIPOC, 1 hour. Walkthrough of the SIPOC with stakeholders, 1 hour. How to develop a SIPOC. First, the project leader of the SIPOC diagrammer develops a chart of 5 columns and 2 rows. Each column represents the alphabet of the word SIPOC: supply, input, process, output, customer. Next, the project leader or SIPOC diagram meets with key stakeholders and team members to gather pertinent data for the SIPOC. This data includes supply information, input information, process information, output data, and customer information. What you see now is an example of a SIPOC regarding a system repair. This is the beginning of the SIPOC. Next, we move to a more developed SIPOC. It is important to allow the completion of the SIPOC. What we see is a more developed system. All areas of system, input, process, output, and customer must be completed. Once the SIPOC is completed, the project leader or SIPOC diagrammer must walk through each area with the key stakeholders and project team leaders. This is a very important process. We've come to the end of the SIPOC. Please review the bibliography that is documented here. Thank you. Visit American Meridian University at amu-edu.com. Thank you for reviewing this educational material, and we welcome your questions and comments.